Hi guys, welcome back to my hair tutorial. So this is my hair journey so far. As you can see, this bald hair there is growing. So if you wash this, says the scissor hair oil, you will see the difference right here. So today's hair review, I'm gonna do a product for hair oiling. The one and only Bajaj Almond drops non-sticking hair oil right here. So this is among the popular between the scissor, this one, and almond oil. Those are the three popular hair oil in Indian. I'm not Indian, but result is there. So let's go for what they say first right here. They say for centuries the almond have been appreciated for nourishing properties. The Bajaj Almond drops hair oil is non-sticking and is enriched with vitamin E and sweet almond oil right here. So that's the say right here. So that's a 6 times vitamin E. See that right here, 6 times vitamin E. So for me, I always look down the surface. Excuse me. So now for the ingredients. I don't like it. I don't like the ingredients because when you say almond oil, almond drop, like right here you see almond drop, that means the almond drop should be #1 ingredient. But no, it's the perfume, liquid, baselic, whatever English they want to put right here. See that? See that right there? That's not the #1 ingredient. Almond should be #1. So let's go. Rosemary, rapeseed oil. I don't even know if it's rosemary or I don't know what is rapeseed oil. And of course, you get fragments. You get whatever they get. And then sweet almond oil is in the little tiny one, which is almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ingredients. And then they got all this stuff. All this one right here. So they say apply the drops on your scalp and hair, gently massage and use regularly. I'm not white, I'm not Indian, so I'm gonna use it wherever I want to wash my hair every 2 weeks. So this is the one, this is the big one, 16-ounce fluid, and this is the little one that I'm gonna use. So this is how you come like, see that? That's how you come like almond oil. So big, no, little, big, like that. In fact, let me open the big one. Let me show you. Let me open this and let me show you. So this is the big one. So that's how it come like big, small. So they just, you see the lip like right here. See that? That's the one they said this is easy flip. They ain't lying on that side right here. So I'm just gonna put it. I'm just gonna drop it here. That's what I'm doing. See, I'm just gonna drop it here because when I'm done, I'll let you know. So this is like right here. See that? Well, bottom buffet right here. So all my hair is oily. So you can see even the one with the problem side got something. The thing is smell good. See, oil all over. It smells good, and my hands, of course. See, all oil. So I'm just gonna get my hat right here. Not do too much. Let it sit down. So this one, you can do this as a hot oil, where you warm the oil, you put it, or you can put it like the way I did and put 2 hats. It smells good though. For it to smell, it smells real good. So this is like the one I get. Go grab your own almond drops, 6 times vitamin E from Indian. Proudly made in Indian. You can get it in Amazon or any Indian store. Peace out.